So guys, you wanna start a jewelry business? In this video I will show you a method that I use and also other people uses on Etsy or eBay. So everyone have heard about drop shipping, right? This method is not drop shipping. It's similar. It's actually providing a service for your potential customers, which is called, as simply as that, customizable jewelry, which of course you don't need you know you don't need much money, or you don't even need money. You just need probably a little bit of budget for probably opening a store on Etsy, or all those listings fees, or buying a domain. And actually you don't need to make the jewelry. Of course, when someone send you their designs, you just send them to the jewelry manufacturer and they will do other work. But this is a little bit hard to handle, and I will show you my way of providing this service to people, which is just some pre-made jewelry with letters, and people can give me the letters they want on the jewelry, and then I just do this. I send them to the manufacturer and they help me to do all the work. So without wasting any time, let me show you guys. So guys, first let me show you an example of this seller providing custom jewelry, pre-made jewelry, which is basically just some pendant necklace with letters on it, and it is charged by letters. One letter costs $9.5, and so on. And yeah, there is a lot of seller who is doing this, and yeah, and you simply need to find a manufacturer, ask them for for the pictures, which I have it here. I asked the manufacturer for the pictures that I will use on my on my listings, and then give you the quotation, which it is here. This is the price per letter, like $7, and there's a more simple design which is cheaper. It just costs $1. And why this is a good method compared to drop shipping, it's simply because this is a customized product, and refunds is not allowed, and yeah, that's basically it. Of course, you will need to account for the the listing fees, which you can find on Google. Just type Etsy calculator and you can see the cost of Etsy, and just it will give you the profits right here. And of course, you want to be when selling on platforms, you want to have a good price. You have to stay competitive. If the seller is selling for $9, you will need to charge maybe $8. So guys, that's it. Of course, it is not financial advice, but this video is just for education purpose. and this is just one method that you can do. And I'm sure you can find suppliers on Alibaba. Just ask them for everything, for the pictures and the quotation, and you're ready to go. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like my video so I can get monetized. And I see you guys on the next video.